Researchers from various academic institutions have convened at Makerere University to find ways of developing bacteria that can be used to fight some viruses. According to Professor Nakavuma, they want to use specific bacteria as organisms to fight other diseases.
Viruses of bacteria, they use bacteria as their source of livelihood, only bacteria. So they cannot attack other living things apart from bacteria. And within bacteria, there are specific ones a virus can go for. So we are using that property of specificity to use these bacteria as alternatives or supplements to use of drugs in managing diseases. So we know that we can get the diseases from the foods we eat. We can develop diseases from the environment. So the bacteria that are in there can have specific viruses that we can use to control them or destroy them and have a better livelihood of our people.
Nakavuma says it's very easy for the human to eat bacteria, therefore it will be easy to use specific bacteria to fight viruses. The biggest challenge for researchers is the inadequate infrastructure.
If we now tackle some of those important diseases, that means we'll have more food and our people will do better economically as well as not starving. And we are also targeting to get products that can be used to treat human diseases. There are human diseases whereby all the drugs have been exhausted, but the patient is not improving.
Dr.Tobi Nagel, the president of Phages for Global Health, says their responsibility is to facilitate scientists and researchers to come up with the applications that will save the population.
And our mission is to facilitate capacity building to enable scientists in Africa and Asia to use phages to kill bacteria when antibiotics no longer can. So we've trained, through us, we've trained over 1,200 people have been trained in how to do this work in East and West Africa. We've trained people, then they go back to their home institutions and train people. Then they have gone on to initiate over 50 research projects where they're isolating phages that could be used to kill bacteria in people, animals, crops, aquaculture, this kind of thing.
It is estimated that globally, by 2050, more than 10 million people will have died due to non-responsive diseases. Chris Semalemu Semakula, William Ruanga, Beg Television.